Ah, damn it, this car won't start. Hi, I'm Andrew Temby, and here's another one of Temby's tips. I've had a good go at it. I've had my foot on the brake, and I've made sure it's in park. I've got the little key fob here, and I've unlocked it, and locked it again while I'm in it. Just wait for the mirrors. Unlock it again. Let's see what happens now. I've been in it a while, and I've had the radio on and just fiddling around with stuff, so maybe it's me. Haha! How about that? It works. It's as easy as that. Okay, so in that case, this car started, but this is the next scenario. So I've gone through all of this stuff, and I've had to go at starting it, and I push the button or turn the key, and all I get's a click, click, tick, 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 tick. So the next thing I'm going to do is turn on the headlights and walk around the front of the car and see if they're bright. If they're dull, we know it probably needs a new battery. If they're bright and it still goes click, 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 maybe we better get a new starter motor or go and see our mechanic.